Hello. So this is a updated tutorial for the VRoid to Unreal Engine 4 import and retarget animations. So I would assume that you've already installed the plugins and have gotten your own VRM file. But if not, you can follow this tutorial made by this guy. I'll have it linked in the description below. And so you want to follow until he installs the plugins. Then you want to follow this tutorial on how to do it. So first of all, you want to first import your character. So I'll make a new folder for that and just drag and drop. And now here's the big change into the plugin itself. As you can see, the old plugin didn't have this feature where it would set the pose of the imported VRM into a pose. So you want to have this checked, and you want to just import. Now if we drag out the mesh and go to the skeleton and retarget manager. As you can see, he's so her pose is already in the A pose. So all you need to do is to, well, if it's not, then what you can do is go to modify pose. You wanna select, you wanna go here and click on the pose asset, and now you know uh, choose a pose here. For example, pose T. I want to make it the T pose. I'll just import, and it's now changed. Now you can save. But what we want here is the E pose. So I'll just save it. And now we can go to this guy. I'm going to set skeletal mesh to the character that you've chosen. Now what you want to do is go, where is it? Go, if I can actually find it there. You want to find the animation blueprint for the third person. Now you want to retarget. Uh, wait a second. Oh, I forgot. Actually forgot. Skeleton. I got to retarget manager. Select humanoid rig. Save it. That should up. And that should be it. I want to retarget, and then you want to retarget. So let's see. I'll rename this. Name it test. Now I'll use the animation blueprint and play. There we go. So as you can see, it's pretty much basically it. It's pretty straightforward, and yeah, thanks for watching.